Hi, I'm Lucia. This is my little buddy Rio. And today I want to teach you how to paint a lavender plant. But first, I need to clean my studio. Come on.
Oh yeah.
Welcome to my studio, and today we are going to paint a lavender. If you've never painted before, don't worry. I'm going to teach you step by step. We are going to paint this lavender. First, we need to draw. It's so important to draw lightly, because you can erase and there are no marks on the paper. Let's go. Well, we are going to start. I will use this green. Don't worry about what kind of green do you have, because you can use the green that you have in your house. Okay? It's so important to put a lot of water. Don't feel afraid to put a lot of water, okay? Don't feel afraid to put a lot of water, because we will need a lot of water for our watercolor painting. This green is very emerald and brilliant. Like the reason I want to put a little brown, and this I like more, this kind of green. First, we are going to paint a clear layer. The most important is to have a lot of water, and later we are going to use this color here. First, we are going to put our first layer with a lot of water. And now we let it dry a little. And we can continue with the other plant. We continue with another leaves. Little by little, with this soft color, we paint everything. The stems and the leaves. It's easy. Now, for example, these leaves is a little dry, and now we are going to put the dark color in the borders. And let it dry, because the water will do all the work. The most important in watercolor is to be patient. we can put too a little dark color in the stems. With a little more water. Okay, I have a little mistake here. You can see it. We are going to let dry for a little while, and later we are going to continue. With a little dark color, we put some in the leaves, but not too much. Because in watercolor, we love the transparency. You can see I only deposit the color, the water does all the work. While this dries, we are going to make the flowers. My baby is being so good. Hi baby, good job. We are going to use permanent rose, and violet.
Come early spring, the old misters get to buzzing, begging me for tips like I'm some Euro guru.
With the permanent rose, we are going to paint some drops like that. And with the violet, we are going to put some drops too.
I try real hard to hide what my heart bleeds to say. So I write all about the city and La Sagrada Familia. But the truth is that's the home, the only girl I've ever loved. Outside an old Irish pub is where I gave my heart to her. La la la.
For example, I put violet first, and now I will put a little rose.
Sometimes I sit and wonder about how she's getting by.
For example, if we want more dark color, we put more pigment and less water.
So if you see a red-headed beauty
And
with a
deposit
smile made for movies, could you tell her I ain't forgot all the good days we had? Help me out, let her know I promise never to forget. La la la.
The last thing that we are going to do is to put more dark color in some of the leaves to make it deeper. I forgot some flowers here. I'm sorry. You can put the dark color in the leaves that you want. You don't need to paint the same like me. The most important thing is to know the tips and use mine for inspiration, but you can paint with your style, and the most important in painting or in watercolor is enjoy the process. Maybe the first is not really amazing, but little by little you will paint better and better and feel so and get better. And that's it. Do you like it? Thank you so much for watching the video. What would you like to paint next time? Comment below. If you enjoyed the video, hit the like button. See you next time. Rio and I need to go because